Wapello, Tama, Mahaska, southeastern Grundy and eastern Jasper counties. At 6:57 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Marshalltown to 4 miles southeast of Malcolm to near Agency, moving north at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters. At 6:44 p.m., a 71 miles per hour gust reported at the Ottumwa Airport. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Ferguson, Morrison, T.F. Clark State Park, Ottumwa Industrial Airport, Green Mountain, Grinnell, Oskaloosa Municipal Airport, Garwin, Chelsea, Lincoln, Union Grove State Park, Meskwaki Casino, Kellogg, Traer, Glanbrook, Laurel, Malcolm, Elberon, Montour, and Haverhill. This includes Interstate 80 between mile markers 171 and 204. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move to a shelter, inside a strong building and away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties, in Iowa: Grundy, Jasper, Mahaska, Marshall, Poweshiek, Tama and Wapello.